If you are a business owner trying to attract new clients and new customers and grow your business online, I would love to share with you the easiest route I have found to attract new clients and new customers and go from $0 to $10,000 per month and then turn that into a $1 million a year business. It's the exact 2 steps I take my clients through, and I'm going to share these with you in a moment. But first of all, I hate that I have to do this, but I need to show you proof to show you that I know what I'm talking about. We're doing at the moment over $1 million every single year by using these 2 steps. These are my regular payments that come into my bank account: £5,000, £7,000, £20,000, £50,000. At the moment, we are doing over 1 million every single year, and we are doing this by generating 20 to 50 new clients every single month. Let me share with you the 2 simple steps that we've taught our clients who are generating 6 figures a month. And many of our clients are now doing that. But I'm hearing that business owners want to generate just a handful of clients and customers every month and generate about $10,000 a month. And actually, in a simple video ad like this, it really is quite easy to achieve that by these 2 steps. So step 1, increase your prices. The biggest mistake I see business owners making is they feel they have to reduce their prices in order to compete and attract new clients. But if you know how to position your business correctly online, you can actually increase your prices. And step 2, you need to put your business in front of laser targeted traffic and know how to put your business in front of the right person at the right time who will then become a client of your business. We have very simple processes in place, and we teach our clients these 2 simple steps that is almost guaranteed to work for any service-based business. So getting to $10,000 every month and attracting a handful of clients and customers is actually very simple with these 2 steps. And then the next challenge would be taking your business to 6 figures a month. And we have many clients who have done that as well. If you'd like to learn these 2 simple steps, I actually have free training going on at the moment, which I think you're going to love. And I promise you, I am not going to be selling you anything. This is a complete free training that will show you the exact blueprint and the methods that you can use for your own business. I'm also going to be showing you the biggest mistakes I see business owners making when they're trying to attract new clients, new customers, and trying to grow their business online. So go and click on the link on this video, go and register your details on my landing page, and I think you're gonna love this free training. This is gonna blow your mind, and I'm super excited to show you this. So go and register, visit my landing page, and I'll see you on the training. Take care.